How to post on OfferUp app. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to download the OfferUp app on your device. For that, you can head over to Play Store or App Store, search for OfferUp and tap on the install button. Once the application has been installed, open the application and make sure to log into your account. After you have logged into your account, you want to tap on the post option at the bottom of your screen. Then tap on the option of take photo to take a new photo of your item, or tap select photo to choose a photo from your gallery. Now choose the cover photo that shows the whole item by itself. You need to add at least 3 photos. Items with more photos usually sell faster. If your item shows any signs of damage or wear, include that in the photos. Transparency helps build a trusting community and can prevent issues with the buyer later. Now you will have to enter a detailed title. Include the name, brand, year or size of your item. Then write a description. It is recommended to add a detailed description of your item. Listings without descriptions have lower buyer interest. You can include information such as product specification, size, dimension, color, and much more. Now you want to add more details such as the detail of the category, condition, and price. You want to select the most appropriate category for your item, or pick a category that matches as closely as possible. Now you will also have to set your price. Try setting a price that's same or less than what similar items are selling for online. If you are not open to negotiating the price of your item, engage the Firm on Price toggle. Next thing you have to do is choose the delivery method. Set the item's location. Choose if you want to meet up in person or sell and ship nationwide. Choose your package size. Decide whether or not to enable auto accept. Then, once all the details have been included, tap on the post option, and now you can check the app for messages from interested buyers. And this is how you can post on the OfferUp app. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.